This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Margie Chapman. Charming single-family home in Shadowlawn, just a short distance to the beach. Inviting open floor plan, freshly painted, includes a large attic space for storage. Spacious backyard with deck for entertaining and a large storage shed. Owner will entertain one dog under 45 pounds on a case-by-case basis. Non-smoking unit. Available immediately. For more information, review the details below or contact Margie Chapman at 757-428-0201.